Hello my friends, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about what's new on the channel, give you some major updates. We're going to talk about the Crazy Cash Flyer and some other flyers that we have currently going on. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, guys. Did you like that new intro? It's very powerful. And hey guys, these intros to the beginning of my videos, guys, and these like thumbnails that I got here, I get people over there at Fiverr to help me out with the thumbnails for my YouTube videos. So guys, if you want to know about the thumbnails, just reach out to me and I'll help you get in contact with some of the people I use over at Fiverr. So very excited about that. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about this flyer. Let me find that flyer. We're going to talk about the Crazy Cash Flyer in this video, touch on it for just a brief moment. Then we're going to run over here and talk about the Easy Money system, the Easy Money system. That thing's incredible. Hadn't talked about it in a while, and we're going to bring it back. Some people are wanting to join it, and they want me to do a review update on that thing. And we're going to look at the $1,000 a week solution. Guys, these flyers are absolutely on fire. They're changing people's lives, and that's what it's all about. That's why we upload these videos almost on a daily basis or as often as we can, because it's helping other people. Move you out the way, help enough people get what they want. Zig Ziglar said you have everything in life that you want. Great things are happening. And I tell you what, guys, this is passive income gone wild, and we could not be more excited. Before I get started, guys, go ahead and like the video. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Could give you 80 more years of good luck or more. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And like this video. It would really help me out. I really appreciate it. Guys, check the channel out here, guys. I got different opportunities. I'm in several opportunities, guys. Every millionaire, they say, got 7 streams of income. And that's what I do, guys. It's like a Walmart. People can pick and choose what they want to partner in. You find a program that resonates with you, and you win. And just that excited. So, guys, we've got some great things going on today. What's new also, guys, is my playlist. If you want to really know what I'm involved with, you can click on playlist. It shows all the programs I'm involved with. And if you're watching a video, guys, what I'm doing for this video forward, in the comment section below every video forward, might not be on the older videos because I'm updating some of them. In the comment section, I will put playlists. I will pin a comment, playlist, and that will list all videos concerning the video that you're watching. It will be related videos to that. Meaning for this, for example, this is the I Keep It All video. You click onto the playlist here, it will take you to a playlist other videos that I have recorded concerning that subject. And it'll all come up on the side here. Guys, that is absolutely ninja. That's powerful. And you can see all the videos all in one place, guys. So whatever the subject, whatever video you want to watch on the video on this channel, go to the comment section, click on playlist, and you can get that there. Guys, let me show you. The 1,000 a week solution flyer is a great flyer. When you join, you're going to get $100 when people buy the product, which is the marketing kit. It has tips, strategies on how to make $1,000 a week mailing simple flyers. Absolutely epic, incredible, and I'm excited about this flyer program. When you join, your name goes in #1 position. When you sign up somebody, you're going to go to #2, then #3. You will always be on these flyers of your personally sponsored members forever, and that's epic. Very excited about that. You send out 4 payments, 1 to the dealer 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the company, and you're off to the races, guys. It's just that exciting. So, guys, get started today. Request a flyer. Information will be below the video. How to request this flyer. Again, guys, you're going to get leads. You're going to get a marketing kit. You're going to get a report on how to make $1,000 a week, and unlimited support from the company. Absolutely incredible. You're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. Another flyer that we have that's on fire, the Crazy Cash Flyer. Guys, you can join for as low as $450. This is a medium ticket program. Guys, when you join, $100 of that goes to the admin for the product fulfillment. The product is the marketing kit. You're going to get 3 rolls of stamps. You're going to get 300 buyer leads on pill and stick labels, unlimited support from the company. And guys, this flyer is converting like crazy. Absolutely powerful. I have other videos. Will be below the video, and you can check those out. Guys, this flyer, this postcard here, it's called the Easy Money System postcard. Guys, this thing starts at $500, goes up to $11,000. Folks, $11,000. Folks, most of the people are joining at 15 and 35. I have had several 75s, so we're excited about it. Guys, you get a hold of us. If you get us on the phone, you join within 48 hours, we'll give you the upgrade to the next level. For example, you join at 15, we'll upgrade you to 35 within from time talking to the coach, guys. And guys, the product is you're going to get postcards for whatever level you join, unlimited support. The company takes care of all the calls. And guys, that is epic. You're going to be assigning an ID number. So when people call in with your number, you get credit for the sale. Absolutely powerful. And guys, we can even put your number on the postcard. That is up to you. This flyer does the selling, telling. This postcard does selling, telling, explaining, so you never have to. This is going to be a great year. We're going to help set so many people free. And guys, when you do that, when you help others, you can win beyond your wildest imagination. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next video.